The Maine State Chamber, along with dozens of other businesses, is asking state regulators to delay enforcing a law requiring companies to report the use of toxic chemicals known as PFAS in products sold in Maine.
The law is supposed to go into effect in January of 2023. Companies say more time is needed to test products, which in some cases may be in the tens of thousands. Environmental advocates are pushing back, saying manufacturers should be aware of what's in their products already. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has more for us.
And this letter sent by the Maine State Chamber of Commerce to Governor Mills and the Department of Environmental Protection says the PFAS reporting law, quote, impacts millions of products and thousands of companies doing business in Maine. Passed in 2021, the law requires companies with products on Maine shelves to report the use and quantity of toxic chemicals known as PFAS by January 1st of 2023. The Chamber, along with several other organizations, including the Manufacturers Association of Maine, want the law pushed back to January of 2024. Ben Lucas, the Chamber's government relations specialist, was not available for an on-camera interview, but tells News Center in a statement, quote, "We have also heard from manufacturers of boat, motorcycle, and car engines who are not sure if their products have PFAS added and will have thousands of products they will need to test," unquote. Patrick McCroy is the former deputy director of Defend Our Health, who helped write the law, calls the pushback troubling.
The companies that are actually manufacturing, distributing products don't actually know if they contain toxic chemicals like PFAS.
The compounds are a class of about 9,000 chemicals found in carpets, waterproof clothing, wrappers, food packaging, and firefighting foam. In federal studies, exposure to the chemicals have been linked to a number of health issues, including thyroid problems and organ-related cancers. McCroy says the law is a wake-up call.
We need to get industry to better police itself and figure out what is in the products that it's selling to people.
Earlier this month, the American Chemistry Council, along with more than 24 nationwide manufacturer associations and businesses, sent out this letter supporting delaying the law because rulemaking by the Department of Environmental Protection has just begun, and companies do not have enough time to be in compliance. A DEP spokesperson tells News Center that the department is currently evaluating the request. Now, the law does allow the agency to grant extensions of time, but advocates believe this should only be on a case-by-case basis
and require companies to submit a good reason why they need that extension, and further submit the list of products that they're not sure whether or not they contain PFAS.
A ban on PFAS and products sold in Maine is expected to go into effect in 2030. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
The DEP is expected to reach a decision on the request to delay the law in the next month or so.
We will have much more on PFAS on our website and mobile app.